Hello, my beautiful souls in Poland. It's Sunday, the last day of the weekend, unfortunately. Never mind. I hope you have a great Saturday night. Saturday night, had a great party. Let's see what is the energy that was after this great party what you had. You might lovely color web that you need in order to have a successful day, even Sunday. Nothing comes to my mind, to be honest. But it's fine. It's relaxed. I feel relaxed. I feel calm. It's very good. Feeling calm. Always calm, always silent, and just enjoy. And I don't need to write too much subtitles. That's also great. I had the subtitles. Subtitles first English, then Hungarian, and Polish. This is the order. Okay, we created on 16th of March. So let's see what is the energy that my lovely color of the in Poland need in order to have a successful day. 16 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have the 16th card. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These actions help the channel to came up in the YouTube algorithm and show the help for others who are in a mess, the big mess, and they want to come out of it. And also you can share this video with your friends who who you know in a mess and would like to help him, her, and you can share this video. Okay, and you are watching Afilarot. This is the sentence that I constantly forgot telling in the last 1 month. Never mind. Okay, so let's see what is the energy that my lovely color of attack in Poland need in order to have a successful day. Page of Swords. Page of Swords. Page, knaves or knaves, depends on which word you know. They are learning. They want to be knight. And just because they're learning, they make a lot of mistakes. Nowadays, in many readings, this card came up, then it shows me toxic relation, toxic behaving. Just because it's Sunday and it's about you, here you go, and there's face it, it's swords, it's swords, so it's air. Page is always Malchut in the Safira, the tree of life in Kabbalah. So it's earth, it's happening on the earth, it's around you. Let's check your environment. Who create toxic atmosphere around you, or behaving toxically, or has a toxic behaving around you. Okay, let's check it. Unfortunately, it could happen that you are the one who making a toxic atmosphere. Also, so don't forget this. If you cannot find them, maybe you are the one. Yeah, that's why it's important to find the toxic relationships. Once you need to start to, because he wants to be a knight, the Knight of Swords. He wants to be the Knight of Swords who is fighting. He's an idealist. But the Page of Swords is learning, and you need to learn how to protect yourself from toxic behavior. I don't want to mentioning whatever toxic behavior. The most known Toxic behaving is the narcissist. So if you know how it look looks like, then you know, and probably you can recognize who is it. If you don't know, then you can go to the internet, check. On YouTube. There is many people who are taking care of the toxic behaving. I have two favorites in this subject. One is a real narcissistic guy who is making vlogs under the therapy. So you can watch him as well, and then you will recognize, oh, maybe something. So the energy for today is recognizing the toxic atmosphere around you. Where is it coming from? Who generate this? Make it. Okay. This is the best way to protect yourself, to become a knight of swords. So fighting for everything because you will be an idolist. Okay? Yesterday you created, now it's time to protect yourself against anything. Okay? Thank you for being with me this morning. Merci, belle journée. Au revoir. À demain.